calling 911 in America. Emergency English. You must know real-life emergency conversation practice. Hi there. Welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn one of the most important conversations in English. How to call 911 during an emergency in America. You'll learn how to describe an emergency, answer important questions, talk to emergency operators, and stay calm during stressful situations. These are real phrases used every day in the United States. So listen carefully, speak clearly, and repeat out loud with confidence. Let's begin. Calling 911. 911, what's your emergency? There's been a car accident on Main Street. Okay, stay calm. Is anyone hurt? Yes, one person is bleeding from their head. All right, are they conscious? Yes, but they're in a lot of pain. Okay, help is on the way. Stay on the line with me. All right, I'm staying with them now. Giving information. How many people are involved in the accident? 2 cars crashed into each other. I think there are 3 people total. Okay, are any of them trapped inside the vehicles? No, everyone is out of the cars. That's good. Do you see any fire or smoke? No, I don't. Is anyone having trouble breathing? One person says their chest hurts. Okay, an ambulance is already on the way. How far away are they? About 5 minutes. Please do not move the injured person unless there's danger nearby. Okay, I won't move them. You're doing great. Describing the location. Can you tell me exactly where you are? We're near the gas station on Main Street and Oak Avenue. Perfect. I see that location. Is the road blocked? No, traffic is still moving slowly. All right, please stay somewhere safe and away from traffic. Okay, I'm standing on the sidewalk now. Good. Can you flag down the ambulance when it arrives? Yes, I can do that. Help arrives. I can hear the sirens now. Great. The ambulance should be arriving any second. Yes, I can see them coming now. Perfect. The paramedics will take it from here. Okay, thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Thank you for calling 911. Take care. Fast shadowing practice. 911. What's your emergency? There's been a car accident on Main Street. Is anyone hurt? Yes, one person is bleeding from their head. Are they conscious? Yes, but they're in a lot of pain. Help is on the way. Stay on the line with me. How far away are they? About 5 minutes. Don't move the injured person. Okay, I won't. Is the road blocked? No, traffic is still moving slowly. Can you flag down the ambulance? Yes, I can see them coming now. Good, they'll take it from here. Excellent work today. Now you know important emergency English phrases used during a 911 call in America. In stressful situations, clear communication can make a huge difference. That's why practicing real-life English conversations is so important. So, keep practicing every day. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and train yourself to stay calm while speaking English. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real American English conversations. Comment 911 done if you practice today, and tell me what lesson you want next. Emergency room English, airport conversation, Uber English, hotel check-in. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.